We're just focusing on the product, y'all. Like as y'all can see, just literally white background, simple, full fit picture. Now we're doing some of the close-ups right here. I gotta make sure y'all get that behind the scenes for y'all brand, man. Even if y'all doing a photo shoot, make sure y'all get that behind the scenes. Oh, bro. We really in the Ford flicking.
Appreciate that.
That's what we do. Hey, no bad thing.
200,000 cash, I feel very special. Swing that Lambo through the parking lot.
What up, YouTube? YouTube, man, what's the word? Listen, we here at my product photo shoot right now, getting ready for the Common is Boring collection, y'all. We are looking right now, as y'all can see. Doing some quick flicks, man, while the sun is still out. But we are gonna be in the studio as well. So this video is basically just, you know, showing you guys how I do my product photos, man, how I do my product shots. So I do some lifestyle pictures, you know, just some street photos. And then we're gonna go in the studio so I can do some photos for my website, right? So there's a difference, man. I mean, you can use lifestyle photos for your website. You know, you can really use any photos you want for your website, but I like to use studio photos for my website just because it looks cleaner, white background, and it's directly targeted towards the product. But with the lifestyle photos, as y'all can see, you know, it's just a little more lifestyle, a little more, as you can see, we got the nice little background, you feel me, good little fit, good lighting and stuff. So I like to do the lifestyle and the product photos, y'all. So that's what we're gonna do right now, flicking up right here, and then we're gonna go in the studio and we're gonna get right. Tip number one, man, tip number one of the video, make sure the product is targeted, right? Make sure you are targeting the product and make sure you guys are showing what you're selling, man. You're not just taking pictures, you're taking pictures for a reason, man. So think about that when you guys are doing your photo shoots. Stay tuned, man. I got some B-roll coming for y'all. Let's get it. But now we're gonna go in the studio. Solid. Did I get a video? Let me do a video real quick. Y'all gotta make sure y'all get that behind the scenes for y'all brand, man. Even if y'all doing a photo shoot, make sure y'all get that behind the scenes. So basically all I'm doing is I'm just gonna record and he's gonna do him because he's a professional model, I'm not. So I'm gonna let him vibe out and then I'm just recording because I know I can edit it. So I'm gonna just get different angles, man. Make sure I get details on the key. Boom, right? So easy. Little quick 20-30 second video. You can click it up into like 3 different 10 to 15 second reels, to be honest with you. Solid, man, solid. We just shoot, to be honest with you, and find all the good ones later. But now we about to go into the studio, man, and get some product photos for my website. It's so hot out here, y'all, like literally being in Arizona. How hot is it today, Jonas?
113.
It's so hard to have a brand out here because we can't even like promote our fall and winter drops until goddamn November because it's so hot. This is my YouTube editor right here, y'all. He do all my thumbnails,
Editing the videos. I have to hear all this dude's yap sessions 30 times over again.
We got my boy Easy in here, man. What's some model advice you got for the aspiring models watching?
Man, you just gotta be yourself.
Be yourself, huh?
You can be uncomfortable in front of the camera, but once you just get comfortable and be yourself, it's easy.
Give me a style tip, man.
Fuck the trends. Wear what you like.
Fuck the trends.
Wear what you like. Buy what you like. Wear what you like. It's simple.
Let's do back my hair. We're just focusing on the product, y'all. Like as y'all can see, just literally white background, simple pose, just a simple vibe. So first we got the on body full fit picture. Now we're doing some of the close-ups right here. Some of the close-ups involve like just the t-shirt itself, just to show people, you know, all the details, man. Show them what it looked like. As y'all can see, y'all can't really see all the details right here, but if I get closer, y'all can see the real details to the T, man. So that's kind of what we're emphasizing right here. Make sure your photographer got the lighting right, man. Make sure we got 3 lights up in here, man. Even though you're investing in your brand, you also want to invest in a good photographer, a good studio, man. And it always doesn't have to be that. You know, sometimes you guys don't have the capital for all of this, which is okay. Your iPhone is always okay, man. Your iPhone is always okay. But me, you know, with my brand at the level that my brand is at right now, I have to be professional when it comes to it. So that's all it is. All right, YouTube, we back, man. So as y'all seen yesterday, we did the product photo shoot for my next drop. The Common is Born collection. We did a white backdrop photo shoot, did some lifestyle pictures as well. But I also gave y'all some game on just, you know, what to do during those type of photo shoots, man. The reels I did, I'm actually gonna show you guys a reel right now that I did, that I edited, which came out super crazy. And I did it on my phone too, so that just goes to show y'all that y'all don't need professional camera or anything. Really, all you need is your phone, man. But the video is not done. Today is part 2, and we going to the airport. Now listen, by the time I drop this video, I'm already dropped the content that we gonna do today. So nobody try to, you feel me, take what I'm trying to do. But so y'all know we got our Common is Born sweatsuit right here. And you know, when you go to the airport, obviously you want to be comfortable. You feel me? You're gonna wear a sweatsuit. That's what the majority of the people do at the airport. And at the end of the day, you gotta sell a lifestyle, right? You can't just sell your product. You also gotta sell a lifestyle. So this is a great lifestyle content idea for you brand owners, man. So we're going to the airport today. Check out the fit real quick though. Hold on. We come Common is Born, unreleased tee with attached long sleeves, never dropping, because I didn't like how it came out, but it's still fire though. Still gonna put it on. Got the Be Special baggy wide leg denims. Nah, they really denims for real. They're not really denims, but they denims for real. And then we got the custom Tims that I did a while ago, man. And then I hit him with the hat as well. So yeah, we got, you know, we got a crazy fit on, because, you know, during your photo shoots, man, you got to put your own brand on as well, and make sure you get that behind the scenes content, you feel me? So while you orchestrating the photo shoot, or, you know, you taking care of business, have somebody take a picture of you taking care of business, showing that you taking care of business, you feel me? So we about to go to the airport. We actually running late right now, but we about to head over to the airport. Hopefully we don't get kicked out, and I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. So stay tuned. By the way, nobody has a flight. Nobody has a flight. So we're trying to figure out the best way to do this, the farthest we can go without, you know,
Getting banned.
getting caught. So as you can see, we're on the YouTube right now. YouTube grind.
Set up
grind.
YouTube.
If y'all need edits for y'all videos, or if you need thumbnails, hit that man up right there. But you can see we got the merch lined up, ready to go. And hold on, free game, man. Hold on, before I stop this video, get y'all some packaging for y'all brand, man. Some what they call these, like shopping bags? Like shopping bags?
Shopping bags.
Yeah, get y'all some shopping bags for y'all brand, man. This is just like, it's clean, right? Instead of giving somebody merch like this, you go ahead, throw them in a bag with your brand on it. Give it to them like this. But these are actually for the models that are pulling up to my shoot today. You know, I gotta bless them with the merch for coming out and shooting, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. And then at the end of this video, I will be showing you guys what I do with all this content, man. What I do with these photos, what I do with, you know, just all the content that I make, and how I implement it within my website, my Instagram, my TikTok, you know, all my socials and stuff. So stay tuned, man. Going crazy, man. You got Eliza in the building.
What up?
See the fit. This is fire though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, these gonna come out so crazy. And this is only our first spot. We dead in the airport, flicking. Stop playing. We looked it up, and it's legal for us to film in the airport. We just can't be tampering with like pedestrians and shit. So we can't be taking pictures of random people. But other than that, everything should be good. We got somebody walking towards us right now. Hold on, we gonna see what's going on. We should be good though. Do you screenshot that law? Did you screenshot the law?
The law? Yeah.
That you looked up?
Bro, the law is the freaking First Amendment.
Crazy. We're literally shooting in the middle of the airport, y'all. Everybody looking at us like we crazy or something, but nobody said nothing, so we just gonna keep doing what we do and go from there. I don't really see too many brands flicking up, or not even flicking up, again, content in the airport, y'all. Just gave y'all some free game, free sauce for real, for real. Take what you want with it. But it's all type of people looking, bro. I swear to you, it's all type of people looking. But it's all good though, because I'm not tripping. It's for the brand, you feel me? It's for the brand. We're gonna go downstairs where the kiosk is and act like they're getting a ticket. So that's another idea. Oh, bro. We really in the port flicking. I appreciate that. That's what we do. Hey, no bapping.
No, I fought with that though.
That's hard. Hey, I'm gonna tag you, bro.
You gonna tag me? Yeah.
All right, man, we just finished up at the airport, y'all. We got some crazy content, man. Like, I don't really see too many brands doing this, bro. Like a whole photo shoot at the airport. Like I can't wait for y'all to see the behind the scenes because we was really like going crazy and people looking at us like we was tripping. But let me show you guys some content that I got. See, man. At the airport getting good content, man. Y'all can see. So Instagram doesn't allow you to show your camera. I don't know, it's weird. Let me just show you guys what we did with the background photos, man. As you can see, we added some details. This is actually from my Instagram post that I'm gonna post today announcing the drop. It's gonna be super, super dope, man, super dope. It looks kind of weird on the computer. It's gonna look a lot better on the phone. But as you can see, we highlighted the T, highlighted some of the details, and then we went right into the sweatsuit, right? Did some details on the sweatsuit, did some details on the sweatsuit, super hard. Then we go back to the T's, super, super hard, y'all. This is super, super crazy. And then we did some with the orange, man. This is not going to be my official post. Obviously, I'm just giving you guys an example of what you can do with your product photos, man, when you go and take your photo shoots, right? All right, y'all. So you guys just seen the previous videos of me doing my photo shoots. And now I'm going to show you guys just what I do with the photos, right? You know, it's good to have good photo shoots and great content, but you got to use them the right way. Here are one of the photos from my photo shoot, man. Super, super clean, simple white background. As I told y'all earlier in the video, this is for my website. I'm just making my product right now. Again, we dropped this Friday for my Common is Boring collection. And I'm currently making my product right now. I just added some simple details and then I added one of the photos. So let me show you guys something real quick. These two photos weren't able to load, right? So if you see right here, I'm just gonna highlight these two photos right here. As you can see, it says 2 files failed, right? So that's okay, right? We go to a website called Resize Pixel, man. Resize Pixel. We're gonna upload those same images and we're gonna decrease the quality of the image. Not so much the quality, but the size. That's what I meant. We're gonna decrease the size on the image, man. As you can see, the image is 16 megabytes. Shopify has a certain size that you have to put into their platform, but I decrease it a lot, y'all. I go all the way up until maybe right under 2 or right at 2. I'm gonna go right under 2 just because I don't know how Shopify be. So just turn the size down a little bit. Again, this website doesn't really take away the quality of the photo either. I'm gonna show you guys. So if I just go to add media, as you can see, already downloaded and we are good to upload, right? So I uploaded another photo. I'm gonna obviously upload a lot more pictures, man, but this is just for the video, you know, added some sizes and stuff. So let's go to my online store, man. Let's go to my store and I'm gonna just show you guys how I implement it within my product pages, reverse panel. This is how it would look on my website, man. And it looks super, super clean. As y'all can see, again, this is for my website. This is not for anything else. Or, I mean, I could use it for Instagram and stuff too, but clean, man, clean. You know, somebody comes, just think of you being a new customer on my website and coming and seeing this, how clean it is, just focusing on the shirt, man, and all that type of stuff. So that's basically how I use my product photos. As you can see, let me see if I can click the green one. Green one is fire. It gives a little more detail on the shirt. So I'm gonna just add those type of photos within my product, man. But check this out. We did some super, super hard. Although that you made these white background photos, it's great for your website, but it's also great for like ad creatives, right? Because you can add words behind it. You can add, just certain details behind it. So that's kind of what we did for my brand, as you can see right here. And that's it for the video, man. Look, make sure y'all go out there and get y'all product photos, man. Dude, man, listen. Invest in yourself, man, and really be creative when it comes to these photo shoots and comes to just promoting your product, man. You gotta sell that perspective. You gotta sell that lifestyle, man. You just gotta be creative, man, and really put that work in. That's all it is. Nobody's gonna do it for you, all right? Listen, like, comment, and subscribe. We on the way to 2K. We almost there too. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm giving y'all so much free game. I got a lot more free game in my Discord, man. So make sure you sign up for the free Discord. The link is in my description, man. Make sure you sign up for that. Free manufacturers, free graphic designers, man. Free info on business credit, LLCs, websites, all that type of stuff, man. Completely free. Make sure y'all join the Discord in my description. But other than that, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials. At Elohim is my personal, and at BSpecialTM is my brand page, man. Go ahead, check us out. We gone.